Welcome back. Let's get right into it. Part of the reason that I stay up driving all night is to observe the wildlife or lack thereof and try to make connections as far as what's happening where. In my neck of the woods, I know that I noticed a significant decline in wildlife, including bugs and all of the smaller critters that we might tend to overlook. In many of these woods that I'm exploring, I'm seeing the same thing. There's a significant decline in much of the wildlife, including the insects. So, with this drive through California, the eco part of the message, all of the land I'm seeing is very dry. Obviously, the fires are not encumbered by that dryness. They're helped along. And that's what's happening in this neck of the woods. In my neck of the woods, it's been raining readily and everything is lush and green right now. How is it in your neck of the woods? Let me know in the comments.